Hi, I'm Mark Sullivan for Expert Village, and today we're going to show you how to cook your veggie kebabs over a natural open pit fire. And then we're going to have our corn on the cob, and we're going to open one of these up and see what that's like on the inside, if it's cooked. Ooh, that looks nice and toasty. So anyway, we've got, this is what our bill of fare is tonight, is roasted corn and veggie kebabs over an open pit fire. And it's pretty simple, but pretty effective. So I'm going to go ahead and say grace, and I'm going to sit down and eat some veggie kebabs that we cooked over our open pit fire, and a nice evening, good friends, good food, it's good times, and thank you for joining us on Expert Village, and thank you. Oh, it's hot. Oh, that's really good. I'm going to try a little piece of zucchini here. And we used no lighter fluid anywhere in this operation. So thank you, and bon appetit.